So I feel very fortunate I got the opportunity to be an engineer and work in a field like the reliability discipline where I get to effectively continue to pursue this curiosity and excitement about how things work.
I like that.
Like that. Cool.
I was going to say the battle cry of an engineer, if it's not broken, it doesn't have enough features yet.
Exactly. Go into that.
So, can you tell me some of the failure modes in a product over its lifespan?
Yeah, failure modes for a product typically fall into 3 categories. We usually break them up into quality-driven, which we call infant mortality, which usually happen early in the life. And then during use life, we have what we typically call random failure modes. And these are driven by all different types of variations in manufacturing, use case, environment. And then in the last phase, it's dominated by wear out, which are predictable. They're really a design characteristic. It's something that you would expect to happen if the product's being used as it should. So with a tire, you would categorize the tread wear going down as a wear out, right? It's being consumed and it's behaving exactly as you'd expect. As you do more miles and more force and use of the tire, it is expected to be consumed and wear down. The tread gets lower. But if you had a chunk of the tire come off, that might actually be from a quality defect. There might have been an issue with the way the tire was manufactured and the rubber in that area had an air void and it caused it to rip off. So that would be in the first category, the infant mortality. And then in the use case, if you had something strange occur, like a crack in the tire or or something, maybe the cable bead inside broke, it could be because of excessive force going beyond the use case, or it could be the environment. It might be that it was being used in a very hot environment and then hitting cold puddles, right? So it's going through these really dramatic expansion and contraction failure modes, and those failures could occur at any time. So for this one product, you have these multiple failure modes, but it's very important to categorize which section those different types of failure modes go in, because you're going to pursue understanding them and improving them in very different ways.